Here's a personal Android project that builds and runs, but nonetheless has some problems that will be flagged by Lint. We can run Lint directly from Android Studio by selecting Inspect Code from the Analyze menu. And we can keep the defaults and just hit OK. Down here, you can view the inspection results. Android Studio will blend the issues discovered by Android Lint with those found by its onboard code analysis. Here are two problems that we see commonly in projects: duplicate IDs and hard-coded text. The cool thing about Android Studio is it gives you a breakdown of what exactly needs to be fixed. Sometimes these issues can be fixed directly from this menu. For example, there are some unused imports in some of these files. If you would like link reports to share as part of a code review, you can generate an XML or HTML document by clicking this export button. Alternatively, you can always run Lint from a command prompt with Gradle Lint, and it'll generate both reports for you. The generated reports look a little bit nicer, and these can also act as a nice to-do list of things that you need to resolve before resubmitting your project.